guys, today we are reviewing ratios. So remember, a ratio is a comparison between two quantities. What is the ratio of purple blocks to orange blocks? Our two quantities, our first quantity is purple blocks and our second quantity is orange blocks. The order is super important. So first we want to see how many purple blocks do we have. We have 2 purple blocks. How many orange blocks do we have? We have 1 orange block. So we can write this in 3 different ways. We can write this using a colon. So I have 2 purple blocks, 1 orange block. We can write this using the word 2 purple blocks, 1 orange block. Or we can write this using a fraction, 2 purple blocks over 1 orange block. Remember that order is super important. Our first quantity was purple, 2, so the number 2 comes first. And our second quantity is orange, so we only have 1 orange block and the number 1 comes second. So what is the ratio of orange blocks to purple blocks? We have the same 2 quantities, orange and purple, but it's a different order. How many orange blocks do we have? We have 1 orange block. How many purple blocks do we have? We have 2 purple blocks. So we're comparing the same 2 quantities, but our ratio is different because the order has changed. We have 1 orange block. We're using a colon to 2 purple blocks. We can use the word 2, 1 orange block to 2 purple blocks, or we can use a fraction. We have 1 orange block over 2 purple blocks. Let's try another example. What is the ratio of red and blue blocks to purple blocks? So we're comparing again 2 quantities. This time, however, red and blue blocks is our first quantity and purple blocks is our second. So how many red and blue blocks do we have? We have 1 blue, 1 red, and then how many purple blocks do we have? 2 purple blocks. So our ratio, written in all 3 ways, is 2 with a colon 2 red and blue blocks to 2 purple blocks. Using the word 2 red and blue blocks to 2 purple blocks, or a fraction, 2 red and blue blocks over 2 purple blocks. Let's try one more problem. What is the ratio of all blocks to red blocks? Our 2 quantities, all blocks this time, compared to red blocks. How many blocks do we have total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks total. And then how many red blocks do we have? We only have 1 red block. So we have 7 total blocks to 1 red block. We can write that using a colon, using the word 2, 7 to 1, or using a fraction. 7 total blocks over 1 red block. Hope this helps.